Adventures.
Greetings all, Chuke here from Chuke's Outdoor Adventures. Well, shout out to my buddy. I got a hold of the new Glock 19x MOS pre-release. So we do have a safe weapon, but I am really excited about this. I had one of the original 19Xs, but they really did improve upon this. It's got a threaded barrel from the factory that is 4.52 inches, suppressor height night sights, but these ones are not night sights, which is weird because they have on all the things they put out, they said they were night sights, but these are just blacked out sights. But no biggie, because he did take advantage of the new optics plate. It's got a Trigicon on there. So it's got the Gen 5 ergos and the Gen 5 trigger, which is pretty crisp for a Glock trigger. It's really nice, and they did away with some of that weird undercut in the original 19X. So it came with two 19-round magazines and one 17-round magazine. So really excited. It's got the classic peanut butter color. The finish almost looks different than the original 19X. To me, it looks almost a little more golden. So we're going to see how it performs. We're going to run a few mags through it, but I'm really excited. I think this is just a great idea. And this is even better. This is like the ultimate duty pistol, I would think, because instead of just having the G19, size slide, it's got the extra half-inch barrel there, and you're just getting all this magazine capacity. So great duty weapon, great weapon for your battle belt, just for training. So yeah, I love everything about this, and we're going to see how it performs.
24 below.
All right, first shots. The brand new 19X MOS. Ooh, slammed shut by itself. I love it when they do that. Okay, we're at 17 yards with the steel. Let's see how I do. I just got done shooting a 10, so this recoil is awesome. There's no recoil. Do another mag, see if it shuts on its own. I love it. Fast reloads. All right, one more mag. See if it shuts on its own again. Indeed so. Love it. This thing's a winner. New 19X MOS. I really want one. We got the matching DE light and Trigicon on it. This thing's a winner. Love it.
My name is Chuke. I like to trade my guns just for fun, but now I have none. Oh, look, get shot by a bear, but I don't care. I got a 10mm. Chuke's Outdoor Adventures. Watch you all die every time, guaranteed.